Yeah, so I've got a bunch of Rambler stuff in here that actually could go. I've got a little under the back room back there where I keep the lawnmower, and I could put a bunch of that Rambler stuff that's up there. Of course, it's kind of out of the way up there. I suppose there's no point not to leave it up there. I got that big lay down boat motor foot operated thing up there. Got a couple banjos that need to be played. I tell you what, if I had some tea and this and a banjo in my lap, I just might be tempted to sit here and see if I could remember how I used to play. It's been a while. I've gotten way sidetracked during the last little while, and I could do with some updating my banjo skills and things of that nature. So that might be a good use of my time to do something like that. This place needs a good sweep out, and I'd like to get me a long tube to hook to the air compressor hose to blow the floor, blow the dust up out of the floor too. Oh, the joy. So many fun things to do. So much organization to be had. Yep, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good today. I mentioned earlier that I think I'm on the mend, and I still do think I'm on the mend. I still got that, you know, that feeling you get in your nose when you got a little cold, and it's kind of electrified or tickly or something like that. I still got that going on, but I don't think that's fatal. I don't think it's gonna hurt me none. And but I don't really want to be breathing in a bunch of dust and dirt. So anyway, there's all that. Hope y'all have a good day. Hope you've had a good day. I guess it's okay to go ahead and say this. We got some news about Merle this morning. I've talked about her a little bit having cancer. I think they're looking at hospice care, which is usually, when they start talking hospice care, they're talking the end of the line. You know, I was telling Honey Babe a month ago she was down here living right here on our property while we were up in Maine, and she was visiting all her friends down here, and they were playing cards, and they were going places, and they were doing things, and they were having a good time. You know, if you can get sick and die with something like cancer in about a month, it can be pretty merciful, because to be honest with you, people that have it for, and a lot of people recover, but there's some types of cancer that are not quite so recoverable. And if you can have a shorter amount of time between the time you find out you got it and the end of the line, sometimes it's a good deal. I've seen a lot of suffering that goes with stuff like that. So I know y'all are still praying for her. Say a prayer for Bill and the rest of the family too, because it's hard to lose somebody you've been with for 50 years and know how to act and what to do and how to live with that. So just keep them in your prayers. I don't want to end on a sad note, so but I don't know what else to do other than think some happy thoughts. Imagine me trying to play that banjo. In fact, I'll go refill my tea glass and I'll come right back. I got an armchair with a collapsible arm. I'll uncollapse it and put that banjo in my lap. There it is right there. And we'll play a little bit. Might be I'm gonna play really badly. I don't know. We'll find out. I'll put y'all right here. That looks kind of neat, don't it? One little spot in my garage that's semi-organized. Oh, the joy. I don't look too closely at the rest of it. Still got a long way to go. I sat down here to play the banjo a while ago, and all I got to sing in, and boy, I sounded good. I sounded like Buck Owens or somebody like that. You know, I just knocking it out. Singing away, in spite of my cold, my stuffy head and everything. And I looked over and the camera quit. Now, I don't know if that was a commentary on my bad singing or what, but I decided just to spite my camera, I'd go get me another battery and play some more. If y'all can't take it, just feel free to check out now. I think I'll twist this a little tighter. got a home in glory land that outshines the sun. I got a home in glory land that outshines the sun. I got a home in glory land that outshines the sun. Look away beyond the blue. Yeah, baby. Might need to pour some white lightning in this glass here to kick my passing gear into payday or something. I don't know. I think I was trying to say kick my immune system into passing gear. Do Lord, oh do, Lord, oh do, remember me. Do Lord, oh do, Lord, oh. Do Lord, oh do, Lord, oh do, remember me. Way beyond blue. Alright, I'm gonna quit that now, but I'll do that for Merle, bless her heart. Merle, I'm singing for you.